Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Fidelity step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific AI tools you need for your project. Research the latest AI tools that align with your business objectives. Evaluate different options based on their features, scalability, and ease of integration. Create a comprehensive project plan outlining your goals and timeline for deployment. Gather a cross-functional team that includes IT, operations, and relevant stakeholders. Conduct a needs assessment to determine the specific requirements for deployment. Set up a dedicated workspace for collaboration and development. Develop a budget that accounts for tool acquisition, training, and ongoing maintenance. Request demonstrations or trials of your chosen AI tools to better understand their functionalities. Choose the tool that best fits your needs after thorough evaluation. Secure proper access and permissions for all team members involved. Start with a pilot program to test the tool in a controlled environment. Monitor performance metrics closely during the pilot phase. Collect feedback from users to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback received. Plan the full-scale rollout by outlining specific timelines and responsibilities. Provide training sessions for all users to ensure they are comfortable with the new tools. Finalize integration with existing systems to ensure seamless functionality. Implement security and compliance measures to protect sensitive data. Continue to monitor the AI tool's performance after full deployment. Conduct periodic reviews to assess its effectiveness and relevance to your business goals. Stay updated on advancements in AI to continually enhance your deployment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.